Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to talk to you about keto breakfast foods. What can you eat on the keto diet? What are low carb friendly breakfast ideas? Whether you're starting out with keto, thinking about starting keto and wondering what to eat, or you've been doing keto for a while and want some new breakfast ideas, there'll be loads of inspiration in this video for you. And make sure to check down below, I'll leave a blog post where I'll have all of the recipes and all the ideas that I mentioned in this video, so you can have a look through and pin, bookmark, save for whenever you want some fresh ideas for breakfast. And make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more videos too, and leave a comment. Let me know what's your go-to easy breakfast idea that is low carb keto friendly. I look forward to reading your comments. So let's start with really simple breakfast. So you don't need to be complicated. You don't need to have a different breakfast every day of the week, although I will give you loads of ideas in this video. You can just pick your favorite way to enjoy eggs. Enjoy some healthy fat with it, whether it's cooking it in loads of butter, have some avocado on the side, sour cream cheese, however you like, and then have some vegetables, some breakfast meat, whether that's bacon, sausages, you might want some halloumi on the side. There's so many options. And then you can get a bit more creative and have eggs any way you like. You might want a cheese omelette or some scrambled eggs. There's Irish scrambled eggs I've shared in the past, which are creamy and dreamy and beautiful with a side of smoked salmon and maybe some avocado too. Or you can make up a whole superfood breakfast bowl with all of your favorite keto ingredients. This one has smoked salmon, scrambled eggs, avocado, just all kinds of good, delicious, wholesome food that's just really superfood and a great way to start the day. If you want to go even further, you might want to make some waffles for breakfast. I've shared in the past coconut flour waffles and also almond flour waffles, both of which have eggs, and I am working on a recipe without eggs, which you'll watch the space, might come in the next few weeks or so. We'll see how we go. I'm still testing. But waffles are a great breakfast option that you can enjoy as a more indulgent breakfast with some whipped cream or strawberries, or you could have fried eggs or really any of your favorite waffle toppings. Just throw them onto a keto waffle. It's also possible to make ahead some breakfast options. I shared in the past breakfast meal prep boxes that have scrambled eggs, salami, a whole lot of sauteed vegetables, that everything is prepared, ready to go, sitting in the fridge waiting, and then you can grab a box on your way and out in the morning, so you don't need to do anything. And I quite enjoy having it cold, but you could just throw it into the microwave at work or in the microwave at home, or pop it all into a frying pan and heat it all up in the morning, and everything is ready to go and good to go, and a lovely way to have breakfast with very little prep. And there's also the option of breakfast casserole. You can cook up your favorite vegetables and some meat and then throw it into a baking dish and into the oven with a whole lot of eggs and some cream, and you've got a breakfast casserole that again you can prep the night before, pop it in the fridge, and in the morning you've got breakfast ready to go. Now I know I've mentioned loads of ideas with eggs, but there are also some options for keto friendly breakfasts without eggs, and my favorite is a smoothie or a shake. I'll grab some keto friendly milk, some cream, maybe some mascarpone or cream cheese, a handful of berries, and a scoop of protein powder, and then you've got a full rounded meal. And it's a great thing to have on the go when you just don't feel like eggs in the morning, or if you've just got a really busy day and you just can't face making eggs for breakfast. You could also make a smoothie bowl, all the same ingredients that are in your smoothie, make it nice and thick, maybe with a bit of ice, and then pop it into a bowl, top it with some chia seeds and some berries, and you've got a breakfast bowl that's keto friendly that has no eggs in it. And while we're on the topic of chia, you can make a chia pudding. I love chia puddings for breakfast. Chia seeds are definitely keto friendly. They're high in fiber. They are so good for you. And you can have some with some yogurt and leave it overnight in the fridge, and in the morning pop some berries and some nuts with it, and you've got a chia pudding, which again, it's a breakfast idea that's keto friendly that doesn't have any eggs. Other options are to have a big fry up, everything you'd include for breakfast, just without the eggs. So some vegetables, breakfast meats, whatever you like, fry it all up, have it with some cheese or something on the side, and you've got a big breakfast. You could even make a breakfast platter of cold foods. Again, some avocado, salami, some cheese, put it all together, and you've got a breakfast platter, and you just don't have any eggs with it. And if you just can't face eating anything for breakfast, you could always intermittent fast, or just make a hot chocolate chocolate and pop some cream or a bit of butter in, or make a bulletproof coffee which will see you through and you don't have to even worry about a breakfast meal in the morning. So there you go, those are my favorite keto breakfast foods and loads of ideas of what you can eat on the keto diet, what are low carb, keto friendly for breakfast. And as I mentioned, check down below for the link to the blog post, which will have all of these ideas, all the photos and recipes, everything you need to make all kinds of easy keto breakfasts. And make sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, and leave a comment too. Let me know what are your favorite keto breakfast foods. I look forward to reading your comments. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again soon. Bye.